We had a significant storm come through here, so all my neighbors' stuff off of their trees come into our yard. I'll make another follow-up video for that little guy. I had to take a lot of the stuff out of the pool. There were some big chunks of tree in here. I'm going to run that thing on its 2-hour cycle and come back out here and show you how it does again. Turn it on, push that button. That means it's going to run every day. I'll change it. Oh, too late. And there it goes. It's going to run for 2 hours. Have fun, little guy. Watch what it does as it goes right there. There's a big leafy chunk right there. I don't know if it'll pick that up. Nice. That's why I have it. By the way, I spent 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes cleaning off the surface of the pool. That little robot won't clean the surface, but I'll bet it'll do a fine job on the floor. Here's what it looks like after a 2-hour run with all of that debris that was in there. There's still a few random leaves here and there. I could run it again and it would probably clean it all up. And here's what the filters look like after that run. That's full. I've never had it that full. That's full. The way this thing works is it sucks the leaves up into here. There's no more room. Both of these things are 100% full. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, it's stuffed. The thing that sucks it up right here is completely full, packed. I gotta put the camera down and be careful with this stuff so I don't break it, but it couldn't suck any more leaf material up in there if it tried. Good robot. Here's the other one. It's full. It just can't suck any more leaves up in there. Here's a quick follow-up. So yesterday, the robot was not able to pick up all of the leaves because it was full. But here we are the next day. It ran its 2-hour cycle. And you can see we're in pretty good shape here. It did its job. There's 3 leaves right there. It did a great job. Good job, robot.